Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Daniela, and in today's video I wanted to do a first impression / review of how I do my wash and goes using these two products. This is the brand Trey Luxe. I found them on Instagram and they are a Black owned brand, which I love. Today, I will be using the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner, and then I will be using the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream to use as a styler. When you go to their website, which I will leave the link down below for you guys to check it out, you're able to take a hair quiz, which I think is super cool because it basically breaks down your hair from wavy, curly, coily, and it also allows you to pick what kind of products you're looking for. If you're looking for moisturizing products, if you're just looking for hydration, all those things you put into the quiz, and then at the end it basically just gives you the products that your hair would like best. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check it out if you're interested. And now we should get started with the wash and go. So if you want to see how I achieve my wash and go using these two products, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, of course. As you can see, my hair does not have any product in it, and the curls are just, they need moisture basically. So what I'm going to do is start detangling my hair, and then we'll move on to curling it with the Curling Supreme Cream. So I'm gonna use the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner first to start detangling my hair. So this is what the product looks like. It's creamy. Ooh, it has like an oatmeal scent. Interesting. This just says for wavy, curly, or coily, 360 curls complex with tomato extract. It detangles, nourishes, and replenishes moisture for lively curls. And the ingredients are coconut milk, slippery elm extract, and broccoli seed oil. Interesting because it literally smells like oatmeal. So let's break this through the hair. And now I'm just gonna use my paddle brush to start detangling my hair. Now I know some people don't like to detangle their hair with a paddle brush or any kind of brush before they do their wash and goes. For me, it's just personal preference. I like to have my hair super smooth before I go in with any product that will style my hair. Wow, that product really helped detangle my hair. It's super smooth and it smells amazing. Oh my God, I love that. Now you can tell the difference between the hair that I just detangled and the hair that's just freshly out the shower with just leave-in conditioner. So let's go on to the other side. My hair detangled so quickly just having that leave-in conditioner. That's amazing. Okay, so once my hair is completely detangled, I will go ahead and start sectioning off from the bottom up to use the Curling Supreme Cream to style my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is starting to dry up. So I like to have my water bottle with me and spray. I like to apply the products on wet hair. So I'll apply some water and brush it through again just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. Okay, so let's open up the Curl Supreme 4-in-1. Ooh, this smells super fruity. Let's see what's in here. This is the 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream, And the ingredients are apricot oil, coconut oil, and marshmallow root extract. It smells really fruity. All right, I'm gonna apply some on my fingers and start raking this through. It has really good slip. And it feels super hydrating on my hair. So I like to rake the product through first. And then I use the praying hands to smooth everything out. Like that. Let's go to the other side, same thing. Get some of that product on your hands and rake it through. I like the raking motion just because I feel like it, detangles my hair as I'm doing it. It also allows me to make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout my hair. You can give it a little shake at the end too, just to really get that curl to be activated. So let's push that to the back and move on to the top. As you can see, the hair is getting dry, so I will use my water again. All right, let's grab some product and start raking that through. So first I will grab a big section and just coat the hair with the product. And then what I like to do is grab a smaller subsection, apply a little bit more product, and start raking that through, like that. I'll give you guys a side-by-side of the hair that has product in it and the hair that does not. You can see how puffy and just it needs moisture, basically. Look at the difference. So let's do the same thing. I'm grabbing some of the product first and just applying it through to make sure that the hair is coated with styling cream. And then I will go ahead and start dividing that section into smaller pieces and raking the product through on those individual pieces, like that. Okay, so I'll get a little closer so you guys can see what I'm doing. But basically, just dividing the hair into subsections, like that. Grabbing a little bit more product, raking it through, and then before I let go, I give it a shake to really activate the curls and I drop. If I feel like the hair needs a little bit more clumping, then that's when I will go ahead with the praying hands and then rake again and let go, like that. So far, I'm really liking this product. It smells amazing and it's giving my curls moisture, but I feel like it's also thick enough that I won't have to use a gel. If you guys know me, you know that I do not use hairspray or gels in my hair unless I'm doing a sleek down look. Obviously, I can't avoid it, but I do not like that crunchy feel of my hair. So I like to use products that are moisturizing, but that have hold at the same time, if that makes sense. So Trey Luxe definitely has a gel souffle type of product, but I didn't pick it up just because I know I won't use it. But we'll see how the curls come out without having that extra gel in it. So let's keep going. So first things first, I will apply some water. Brush the hair through. Apply the product. And then I will start dividing that section into smaller sections and apply more product and rake it through. Okay, for those pieces that don't like to curl as well as the others, I will use that finger coiling method to make sure that we have curls all around and there's no stringy pieces. So I will twirl and finger coil that piece and just kind of let it be. If you haven't seen that video, I do have a finger coiling video up on my channel. I will leave it up here for you guys to check it out. So this is what we're working with right now. Again, I really like this product so far. We'll see how it looks at the end, but so far, so good. Let's move on to the top pieces. Okay, so for this front piece, I don't want a specific part. So what I will do is apply product. Like that. And I will start finger coiling my hair in smaller sections. Because I don't want a specific part, I like to just, like you guys saw, shake my hair forward and then flip it back. That way my hair can flip. Once it's dry, it can flip to whichever direction it wants to fall naturally. So I will let my hair sit like this for about an hour, 2 hours, however long I can for it to air dry. And then once it's mostly dry, I will use my diffuser on cool air. So far so good. I mean, my hair feels nice and moisturized. You guys can see that the curls look hydrated. Now we wait for the final results once the hair is completely dry. Before I start air drying, I will go ahead and use my edge brush and just lay down my baby hairs. Alright guys, so my hair has been drying now for a couple of hours. I just kind of let it air dry and I went ahead and ran some errands. And now I want to just go ahead and hit it with the diffuser because there is a cast. It's very slight, but it is there, and I also wanted to have a little bit more volume. So as you guys can see, the products itself gave me a lot of definition. My hair looks very moisturized and hydrated. So let's go ahead and diffuse for a little bit and then I'll come back when I'm done. Alright guys, and this is the final look. As you guys can tell, it's a little bit more voluminous because of the diffuser, and the cast is basically all gone. I don't want to completely smooth out the curls because I do want them to last a couple of days before I have to redo the wash and go. So this is it, you guys. I am so happy with the result. These two products are amazing. I 110% recommend them. The Nourishing leave-in conditioner definitely was so easy to use and detangled my hair super quickly. And then this 4-in-1 curling supreme cream was so good. It left my hair super hydrated. It, you know, gave it a lot of hold without it being a gel, which I like because I don't like to use a gel like I have mentioned before. So this product by itself is amazing as a styler. But yeah, you guys, that is the review and the wash and go routine for the Trade Luxe collection. As always, I will leave all the information down below as well as their Instagram because that's where I found them. So if you guys want to check them out, you guys can. Thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more videos of fashion, beauty, food, and traveling. Thank you, and I'll see you guys soon.